Hey everybody, so I wanted to put together a quick introduction video to your semester-long project, which is, as you know, all about creating your own athletic handbook. So each module focuses on one part of your handbook for the project. So you don't want to get behind on that. You definitely want to create your section of the handbook as it coincides with the content of the module. So we're into module one. Module one, you guys should be working on your athletic philosophy and communication section of your handbook. And I think this is a really good place to start because your philosophy should really be the foundation of the rest of your athletic program. You should answer questions like, what do you believe the purpose of interscholastic athletics should be? Um, what do you want your athletic program to represent? What should students gain from participating in your athletic department? And how are you going to communicate that philosophy to different people that you serve? I think everybody in the class is well aware that athletics tends to be the face of a school and an entire school district. In a lot of ways, it's how people judge your town or your community. So having an athletic department philosophy that's really clear and out there really can help set the stage for your culture for your program. So my advice to you on this project is make it your own, right? If you're currently working athletics or you're an aspiring athletic director someday, um, definitely take ownership of this. Take all the information that you've received in your own experiences and then what you're getting out of this class and, develop a tool that at the end of this class is something that you guys are super excited about. So that's something I hope for you. Um, I shared three different resources with you guys in my email. So the first resource that I shared with you guys is my own personal athletic department strategic plan. So that is this document right here. This falls in line extremely well with module one, the different things that you guys are trying to accomplish. This is the thing you bring to your interview, right? You guys have been working hard. You get that interview call, and it's time to show up, and you're going to sit in front of a big committee. My recommendation is you have something like this prepared. Spend the money, get it professionally printed, have a copy for every member of the hiring committee, and share this document with them. And if they're sitting there interviewing you and they're kind of flipping through this, number one, it shows that you're prepared. Number two, this is a really clear indication of who you are, what your philosophy is all about, and who they're getting in this super important role for their school. Okay? Um, the second thing that I shared with you guys is from Mansfield High School. That's actually from my hometown. They're a consultant of mine. And what they do is they actually put their athletic handbook inside of the larger entire school handbook. So as you guys will see, there's not kind of this one size fits all model for creating athletic handbooks. It kind of works a little differently in every school that you guys go to. So I shared with you guys the link. I think it starts on page 74. And what that does is that takes you through the athletic department section of the handbook, which represents the larger student body. So I think you guys will enjoy that. Um, and then the third resource that I shared with you guys is from Canton Public Schools. It's where I'm currently employed, and I teach leadership development classes and actually run leadership development for the school district. It's also where I was first an assistant athletic director, and I was the boys varsity basketball coach there. So when they were creating all the documents that I shared with you, I had a hand in a lot of that, which has been really cool. So I share with you guys a link, and within their athletic department website, they have important documents, and you guys will be able to click through, see all those important documents, and kind of see how Canton does it. So those are three different examples that I'm able to share with you guys. And I'll say this: just I urge you to go through this course, do the semester-long project, and build this tool. So at the end of it, you have a legitimate, tangible takeaway. You have something that you're walking away from, and you're saying, "Yep, that represents what I believe interscholastic athletics is all about." That's something that I'm going to share with people. I'm going to show people at interviews. I'm going to be super proud of it. Um, I think that's really the heart and soul of this class is having you guys put your philosophies on paper and then eventually printing out something that's nice like this that you guys can take with you and say, hey, this is who I am, this is what I represent, and I think we're a match, right? Let's get to work and roll our sleeves up and get this thing done. So if you guys have any questions throughout the semester on this, happy to reach out, happy to have those conversations. I love this stuff. This is really my passion, and one of the things I get to do now in consulting is I work with a ton of different athletic departments on things like this. So Make it your own. Have fun with it. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Can't wait to learn from you. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Okay. Thank you.